A graduate of North Allegheny High School helped create advanced 3D technology that's being presented to both the military at Fort Bragg and here in Pittsburgh.
Heather Abraham got an exclusive look at something that could potentially help Pittsburgh's waterways.
As nightfall approached, passengers aboard the Gateway Clipper's Empress took in the beauty of the city. But this wasn't just a joyride for Pittsburgh native Marek Lipinski.
We feel that we can add a significant benefit to navigation on waterways.
Lipinski, along with his partner at Total Third Dimension, based out of California, used the cruise to showcase a new 3D technology where you can take any camera and, using special software, show the images on a screen in 3D without the need for special glasses.
Just like driving a vehicle, if there's heavy fog or rain, then the barge will stop. This allows them the ability to see through that limited visibility weather.
Keeping operations moving and giving river pilots depth while they're doing it. Lipinski says this was developed primarily to help military operations traveling at night in poor visibility to avoid casualties.
Imagine that you were driving at nighttime with no headlights and looking at a 2D screen. It's basically like watching a black and white TV trying to judge the depth and trying to drive. It's very dangerous.
But this is the first time it's been tested on any waterway and proved to be a success.
This would be a great benefit now for navigation. Now think of people moving late at night on the waterway, or even worse, in fog or low visibility.
Port of Pittsburgh Commissioner Jim McCarville says this is just part of a much larger project here that many landlocked Pittsburghers may be unaware of. A wireless network is being built at several locks and dams that will help update the out-of-date communication system. McCarville describes it as a network of data sharing.
So we're trying to make it as efficient and modern as possible. Law enforcement can monitor security breaches. We'll be able to have the opportunity to pass navigation information on between the towboats, their companies.
Right now, Pittsburgh has become a test bed for new technology to help monitor the waters, share data, and find ways to make the rivers safer.
This is the first case of what we're doing. With this technology, they would be able to see if there's somebody in the river, if there's a danger, if there's another vessel coming up. That would make the rivers operate at times right now where they can't, where they have to come to a stop.
Heather Abraham, KDKA TV News.
And Lipinski says Total Third Dimension is working on producing another model based on the military's recommendations. Meanwhile, the Port of Pittsburgh hopes the creation of the test bed here will bring in more exciting new technology.
Very impressive young guy, and yeah, cool project.